Hi everyone. In this session, we are going to study about parameterized Jenkins file. So, why do we require parameterized Jenkins file? When we need to take dynamic values or runtime values from the user, like an approval or the first name, any value that is required into our code, we use parameterized job. So basically, you can say parameterized jobs are used for dynamic value situation. So let's go into the Jenkins and see how parameterized jobs are built. Click on the new item, name it, select pipeline, click on OK. As I've already told you, you can also provide the parameters from here itself. Like this project is parameterized. You can add on the parameters based on your preference. So we can achieve this thing through the Jenkins file also. We are gonna see how we can do through Jenkins file. Let me open the syntax generator before working on it. See, I am helping the things, making it easier using the syntax generator, because in the long run we don't remember the syntax. So if we have the action place where we can generate the syntax from, it becomes really easy. Now configure it. Now start with the coding part. The first keyword is always pipeline. Now agent. Now go to the syntax generator, click on the declarative part, select parameters, add, taking an example of string value right now. First name, I'm giving the name, you can give any name. Default value as my name Karan, and description. Now generate them. Copy paste the syntax into your Jenkins file. Since the starting I've been saying, make sure your indentation is right. It makes the code easier to manage and you reuse. Now start with the stages. Stage. Name the stage. Now steps. Now echoing the same thing. My name is params dot first name. So in order to use the parameter, you have to use the dollar sign, then params, as it's a parameter value. Now the name of the variable. This is the name of the variable we have been providing. Now save it. Right now it is not having build now with parameters. Just run this job once. As you can see, it has picked up the default values. Right? Now refresh it. Now it has came with build with parameters. You will get a form like this. You can provide any name. As our default value was Karan. Now let's make it to Rahul. Now build it. As you can see, now the name has been Rahul. So this is how parameterized job. These are basically used for approval part, or we have to take the dynamic values. So in the coming lecture, we are going to see further use. Thank you.